How to fix download video error on Netflix on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the download video error on Netflix on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, you're going to check that you have enough storage space available. So you're going to head over to settings, go to general and click on iPhone storage to see if you have any space available. After that, you're going to head over to your app store, search for Netflix application and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. If the error is affecting a specific download, then you can open Netflix, go to My Netflix here at the bottom right corner and then click on Downloads. Delete the failed download and try downloading it again. You can also restart your iPhone to clear temporary system issues that may be preventing downloads from working properly. If the problem still isn't fixed, you can uninstall Netflix and reinstall it from the App Store, then sign back into your account. And that's it. That's how you can fix the download video error on Netflix on iPhone. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.